Fine, you see the tower here past Battelle Chapel, which is our first sort of Gothic building. Gothic with a K, very early, earlier than these. And you see pretty well how they tore down a building there, which is a mistake, in order to make the tower more visible from the old campus. But it really is the beginning of the development of modern Yale and the colleges. Oh, look at the statue. It says underneath, Hanc statuam ponendum cruavit. The statue was placed here. So naturally, so he's called Hanc statuam. Sorry, that sounded kind of the story they tell on campuses. Anyway, the light's wonderful on them. And it shows how a piece of sculpture doesn't have to be very big, but it's really the proper thing here. Lipstick would look ridiculous here. It looks great in Morse. But he's just big enough and all this big, quiet space around him. So you can't beat the trees. That's James Hill House.